welcome back. It's Daily Driven Bimmer. Today, we're taking out the rest of the HVAC system and some of the sound dampening liners.
This looks great. This is not hard at all, dude. There's just a complete interior. It's very fun to work with right now. Still don't know where my other washer is. Lost the nut while taking all this stuff out. Alright, so we're going to start with these two bolts. You really only have to unbolt the one. I'm going to remove it from the car. So then I'm going to remove this vent, pull it down. It'll pop right off. Alright, so now we're going to take off the support for your steering wheel column. Pull that right out. Alright, so yeah, I don't think this is supposed to be here. So we're going to tear that off and see what we're working with. What is that? That's not looking great. I'd imagine there's a leak here at some point. So we're going to bust out the wrenches. Ah!
I bet that felt great.
God, I hit my finger and my fucking calf. It's like when you get fucking Charlie horse or whatever that shit's called.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
The fucking calf is loving life right now. These motherfuckers do not want to buy like the right shit. At least we got that one out. Well, we don't got a 23mm wrench, but we had a 23mm adjustable. Oh my god. This motherfucker on here now. Alright, so you just want to snap that one right out. And there's one over here that I already popped out, but same concept. Just pop it right out. I'll do the same thing just like the passenger side. Pull the vent down, plop it right out. Alright, so now what we're going to do is remove the heater core. So you want to grab yourself a T20 bit. Holy loose. That's Rachel right there. I like to crack all the bolts loose, and then I'm going to grab my cordless ratchet. How close is that square on the bottom? So we're just going to remove these 4 bolts. No. And you got the last one up here.
Definitely slowly coming.
Hold up. Alright, so what we're doing over here, because I'm going to keep these hoses and run them to the other car, we're just going to pull this whole thing out as a whole unit instead of struggling with taking the HVAC out.
So one of the hoses is already pretty much pushed all the way out. You just got to get the other one pushed through. Can we turn it enough?
Pull it back in. Oh.
Trying to wait over. There we go.
Maybe I was just being a bitch. Oh my god. Well, we already got some liquids dripping, but finally got that bad boy out. Just took a lot of wiggling. Yeesh, got that bad boy out. Now it looks really empty in here.
It's getting more and more naked, bro. We're gonna have to throw it on Playboy.
Alright, so now we got this bracket here for some reason. I have to figure out what that's for. We're gonna get all this wiring out the way so we can pull the rest of the steering wheel column. As you can see, it's crowded. That's what I dream about when I think about S50 swap.
Yeah, they're all just color coded to where they connect.
So what we're gonna do is take off this speaker cover right here. I already took out the Phillips head bolt that goes right here. Grab your 8mm. Send these two bolts out. I just think it's easier to leave it attached to the hood mechanism. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you pull this up, then this will just pop it out. Bam. Bam. So we're gonna start with the brake light sensor. 13mm. What do you want me to say shit like that? Alright, so we're gonna remove these 4 13mm. Should just do that with a wrench.
It would have been quicker, huh?
Alright, so we want to take these back 13s out. See, this is why I love BMW. For the 4th bolt, you stick your little fucking ratchet through there and... What you doing down there?
What you doing down there?
Only if you play a
What's
song.
he doing down there?
I'm sure it doesn't matter, but the back one that goes to the back side of the reservoir is in the front. I just thought, but we might need that bucket. Nice, bro. Pull your booster right out. Oh, I'm not trying to have this just sitting here. Oh, yeah, fuck. There's something in the damn pedal that has to get fuck, you want to hold this just so it doesn't fall? See, now I don't know if it goes up or down. Sometimes I was just being a pussy.
Yeah. Enough said.
God, fuck.
Is that everything now?
I'll punch myself in the face. Punch myself in the
That's
face
everything?
right now.
I'll let you do the honors.
All she takes is a little bit of fucking wiggling.
And a little bit of finesse.
Everything is coming apart on this unit, bro. What is this?
Check that off the list.
If you guys need the part number for the S50 swap brake booster I'm using, here it is.
Now let that focus. Ah, there it is.
Out here. The slave cylinder. Well, not the slave cylinder, the clutch master. So this is the one that goes to the slave cylinder. Where's that soft line connecting to now? Which one was it? This top one. Hey, this is the easiest gas pedal I took out so far. This ground right here, which I have absolutely zero clue what this one holds. Maybe that orange box, I don't know. I'd have to reference it back in the video. When you gotta watch your own YouTube videos just to remember where you put the things back. Whoopsies. Alright, so we're gonna take this one of 1,000 wires in the way out the way. So you wanna grab this metal prong looking thing, pull it down, pull this straight out. Then it kind of hooks on the bottom right there. Oh, the back seat's starting to look like the e30. Alright, so we're gonna take off this little clutch stop. Just grab yourself a big Phillips, plop that off. And then you see over here we got this little plastic grommet looking thing. It'll just slide right up. Oh my God. Do I know what this connects to? Yeah,
Absolutely.
the chassis. So pro I can do this shit with one hand. Don't even fucking play. Fucking professional E30 remover in this bitch.
That has a little bit more torque than you and the other drill combined.
That's kind of mean to say. You just pull it and hope it doesn't break. Shoes go. Shoes fucking go. Broke one clip, but that would have been a smarter way to go. Well, let's go. I took it out without breaking it, bro. How many E30 owners can say that?
You're even way harder than I am.
I already fucking broke my damn carpet, bro. You dumb fuck. The only thing that's gonna be gay is make sure it's over this.
I got mine.
Where did this come from?
Oh, it's sitting somewhere. Alright.
So what we got going on is we're about to clear up the rest of this interior with a couple of got two of them little thingamajigger.
Same thing on this side, 1 and 2.
And I ate upon an asshole kind say some fine sugar plump pussy smell like some wine.
Are you supposed to see a light through there?
I think you are. It's OEM Factory Plus.
So to take off the liner, you got one down by the pedal assembly and one right by the passenger side. Some of the nice clips. Some of the doomy gentle clips. Oh, there are 2 bitch ones. Do you see them? All the way back there.
I can safely say that this is confidently say that this is the farthest I've ever been in an ether. Like, what the fuck does this one just unscrew? Bro, I don't have hold that down.
Get over this.
All this shit for this fucking shit, bro. I mean, we got it out 99% correctly.
Buddy, fucking everywhere.